And we have the Tesmanian cooler here today that you can put in the frunk. It fits snug in the frunk. You can see pictures of that from Tesmanian or elsewhere, but we're gonna slide it into here. Lily, can you open the cubby compartment underneath? Open the cubby compartment. Even a 5-year-old can do it, right? Even with those floor mats. And put this in here. This is the first time we're trying it, so hopefully we don't break the glass window or something.
What's a glass window?
Oh, it's an inside joke. But it fits nice and snug there, and then you have a cooler that's in the cubby compartment, easy to access if you have cold items to put in, which we will soon test out. So there we tuck the straps in a little bit, so there's a cleaner there, and just put the top down. It's all good. Easy enough for a 5-year-old, probably a 3-year-old, but she's got chalky hands, so we're not testing her.